Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can start a faceless YouTube channel just using CapCut and ChatGPT. Okay, first of all, go to ChatGPT and here you can see I already write why niche is good for starting faceless YouTube channel. ChatGPT already gave me 10 idea how we can start faceless YouTube channel. So when you type this prompt, you will get this idea, and I am going to picking the first one, finance and investing. Why I love to work with that, and with that I will pick part side hustle idea. Why is another a good idea for like for starting faceless YouTube channel. You have to be very specific with your niche. That's why it's niche selection is very important, and with this channel we can make money using AdSense, affiliate marketing and sponsorship. And when you have the idea which niche you will pick, then your channel, your work is make the content idea. So side hustle idea. So let's go to another chat. Type give me 5 side hustle idea for beginner. Let's see how ChatGPT give me the idea. So here you can see he suggests us freelancing, affiliate marketing, print on demand, YouTube and social media management. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will make a short YouTube shorts or TikTok type video with these 5 specific point only. Okay, let's see how you can do it. So open CapCut and create new project, and then you have to like in CapCut you can easily generate the idea. So for example, freelancing. So here you can see with freelancing we are getting the stock footage. Okay, excuse me everyone. And when you add the footage, you have to set the ratio. We are going to select 9:16. Okay, and we want to fit this, and let's see. Yeah. So our video will use the stock footage. Also you can get help of Canva, but in this video I am going to show you how only use the CapCut stock footage. So let's see the how we can generate the audio. So copy it and go to CapCut again, and just add text, default text, and we are going to add this full text. And then I just want to add another stock footage at the beginning, which is this one, my favorite. So and this is the text, and in TikTok here is a feature text to speech, voice I really love. So this feature we are going to use in this video. So let's see how it's look like this. So good guy.
Here are 5 beginner-friendly side hustle ideas that you can start with minimal investment and no advanced skills.
Perfect. And now, like, you can, here is a lot of idea or character you can pick. So for your video I am just picking this one, and I am, because if I check all, this will so time consuming, so that's why I am hit generating. So here you can see we already got the 6-second audio,
Here are 5 beginner-friendly.
but this audio, this text is now look good, so that's why we are going to delete that. And let's caption and generate caption. The same caption we will generate again, and it will longer, so let's use a template and use these templates.
Here
And
are 5 beginner-friendly side hustle ideas that you can start with minimal investment and no advanced skill.
like, so it's good, I think. And what I am going to do, I am going to uh, this I'm going to add this timeline on the top of the first one, and I will decrease the opacity, so it will
Here
look
are
like a
5
cinematic.
beginner.
And I'm going to decrease, just delete the first one, and I am going to decrease the size, like speed. Okay, so it will adjust with the time frame that I already used. Okay, so it's now look good, and let's see how it's look like.
Here are 5 beginner-friendly side hustle ideas that you can start with minimal investment and no advanced skills.
Okay, so if you want, you can change the
Minimal
caption
investment, minimal
anytime, like
investment,
this
minimal.
one also good. And if you want, you can make shop capitalize, and you can decrease the size like this.
Investment and no advanced skills.
Okay, so I think it's also look good, and here is our intro, it's done. Now we have to make the this pipe more. Okay, so like same, so go to cap chat gpt and just add this another text, add here, paste here, and then again generate the text to speech, and then select this guy
Freelancing on 5.
and then generate. And this is the
Here are 5.
and we are going to delete the text. And for this one, let's capture that. So these three also came here, I'm just going to delete. So this is actually the idea how you can start your Faceless YouTube channel.
Freelancing on 5.
Okay, so let's, like, you can use any text.
Freelancing on 5 and Upwork.
Okay,
Here are 5 beginner-friendly side hustle ideas that you can start with minimal investment.
so if you want, you can add at the same time, so I just giving you idea how you can do that. So number 2 is affiliate marketing. For example, I am going to add number 1 Upwork, number 2 affiliate marketing, number 3 just copy and paste there, print on demand. Okay, so number 3 print on demand, and number 4 just copy and paste YouTube automation, just copy and paste. Okay, so number 4 YouTube automation, and then number 5 will be the social media management. Okay, so copy it and the paste it here, and just delete the old audio and just hit the text to speed again and hit this button and generate again, and then you will can see the 5 is generated in 1 second. And I'm going to add this capture from here again. So just try to make capture in one time, then you don't have to hassle. So here is like,
1.
okay, so
Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Print on demand. 4. YouTube automation. 5. Social media management.
okay, so this is the idea how you can generate the audio for.
Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. 1. Freelance.
So I added dot, so that's why he actually added dot.
2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Print on demand.
So if you want, you can like delete the dot, okay. And so that's actually how you can make
5.
YouTube
Social
channel.
media management.
So actually I, after that, when you have done, so here also you can add the stock footage. So for example, freelance Upwork, just search Upwork. So if not, then you can add like uh, laptop, you can search, and then this kind of footage you can use, okay. So like
1.
this,
Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. 2. Affiliate marketing.
okay.
3. Print on demand. 4. YouTube automation. 5. Social media management.
Okay, so it's done. So you can also spend more time on there, and you can generate a good audio, and you can set the stock footage one by one. Also you can use CapCut, Canva for making a specific photo, and you can, then you have, when you have done, you have to just export it, okay. And you can export it very fast because CapCut is so part, and then you can upload in on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all. Just every day you have to spend time and make a minimum 3 to 5 short and upload regularly. By within 2 or 3 months, I hope your reels will viral and you can make profit with them. So that is all I wanted to show you today, how you can start Faceless YouTube channel and start YouTubing. And that's it guys. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, then you can subscribe to my channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So that's it guys, see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.